All right, boys and girls, what I'm going to show you now is how to request a meeting with me on Teams so we can chat face to face, or even just how to send me a message on Teams if you have a question. So what I did first is I just went to the cbsd.org 365 website. If you have the Teams app, you can bypass this and just go right into the Teams app on your device. But if you are going in through the internet, I just wanted to show you this way. So you're used to seeing this, the 365, you're going to sign in. And I'm going to sign in. Dan, I hope you don't mind if I use your name. I'm going to sign in as a student so you guys can see what it looks like from the student view, since that's what you'll see. So you're going to use your whole login like you normally would, and then you're going to sign in. And it should bring you to your main page. And this is, you guys should be used to going into Microsoft Word here. This is where you save a lot of your things. This is where you also get to the math, Ed Your Friend, and Learning. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right into the Teams app. It looks like this. And that's going to load up for you. Okay, now once it's in, you'll see over here on your Teams, this is just giving you all the different classes you're in. So if you would like to request a meeting or ask a question to me, just go to your homeroom because I am your homeroom teacher. And you'll see right in here that it'll have different files, class notebook. Don't worry about any of that. You want to worry about this posts feature because that's how you can talk to me. So if you do the at button, and then put in my name so you'll see like all of your peers can come up. So you could send a message directly to someone if you needed to. If you want to talk to me, it's just like my email. I just started doing RE for Rebecca Emmett. So we're going to click on me because that's who you want to talk to. And you can say, can I please meet with you at 1 o'clock today for reading help or whatever it is. And then you're just going to hit enter and that's going to send. Since you tagged me in it, I am going to get a message right on my computer that says that. If you don't tag me in it, the message will still come through. You'll see right here, Daniel Kirk mentioned you. It'll still come through, but I won't get this little alert on my screen. So tagging me really helps because then it sends me an extra notification that somebody is out there on Teams and waiting for me. And then once you send that and you want to meet with me, what I can do is just reply, send you a link, and then we can start a phone conversation on Teams. You can also just send me a question. So if you are just saying something like, again, RE, so it'll go right through. What is the answer to number 5 in math? I am not sure I understand. Just send that, and then I can easily just type back to you and give you the answer. That doesn't have to necessarily be a face-to-face conversation. But I just wanted to show you guys how to navigate Teams, and you'll see, oh, Dan Kirk mentioned you again, good. So I just wanted to show you guys as far as how to use Teams. And this is where you can contact me anytime on Teams, but especially during those office hours. If you send me a message right in here, it'll notify me immediately and I can answer you as quick as possible. So just wanted to give you guys a little tutorial on that. And thank you so much. I hope this helps.